Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to check if a car battery is good or not. We're gonna use a multimeter and we're gonna put it on the volt setting, and I'm gonna put 20, and then we're gonna put the red cable on plus and the black cable on minus. Let's put it here. Gonna put this, maybe we can put it in here. I'm gonna put this around, and as you see, this battery is actually really good. Like, you want to have around 12.6, so this battery is actually in really good condition. The thing is, if you have below 12, it's really bad. Like, basically like 12.6 is optimal, the best. 12.4 is like maybe 60%, and less are like 25. Basically, if you have like 12 or less, it's really bad. Like, you should change your battery. And we're also gonna like crank up the car and see how much it drops. It shouldn't drop below 10. If it drops below 10, your battery is basically trash. Okay guys, let's see how much it drops. It's currently, so this battery is good. This is the way you want it, guys. And as you see now, it's charging really well. Like, you want it to be more than 12.6 when the car is on. This is really good. This is really good, guys. So guys, that's how you check a car battery really quick at home, just with a multimeter. Really cheap, it works, it's effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.